Hi everyone, welcome back. Today sharing one of the most popular Middle Eastern delicacy and my favorite recipe, that's how to make chicken shawarma at home in a simple way. Hope you like this video. Keep watching. Firstly, we need to prepare the chicken. For that I have taken boneless chicken fillet, that's 500 grams. Now flatten the fillet and then cut them into strips. We need to cut them into small bite-sized pieces. Now one fillet is done. Repeat the same with the remaining fillets. Now transfer it to a bowl and to it add 1 lemon juice and salt as per taste and mix it well. Then to it add in 2 tablespoons of thick yogurt or dahi, 1 teaspoon of garlic or lasun ka paste, 1 teaspoon of ginger or adrak ka paste, 1 teaspoon of red chilli or lal mirch powder, half a teaspoon of cumin or zira powder, half a teaspoon of black pepper or kali mirch powder, half a teaspoon of whole spice powder or garam masala, 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Mix all well with hand so that each strips are very well coated. Now marinate this chicken for at least 1 hour. The more you marinate, the more tender and juicy it will turn out. It's been an hour now. Let's fry them. For that, heat up a pan and pour in 2 tablespoons of olive oil and spread it well. Then lay the marinated chicken strips and then we're gonna shallow fry them until it turns golden brown in color. I'm cooking the chicken in 2 batches. So cover and cook the chicken for 2 minutes in the beginning. And after 2 minutes, you can see water has started losing out. So at this stage, roast the chicken for another 2 to 3 minutes until all water is dried up and chicken turns crispy and golden brown in color. Trust me, it smells super flavorful. You can see the chicken is well roasted now. Now transfer it to a plate. And then we continue shallow frying the remaining chickens. Chicken is ready. Now let's do the assembling. For that, we would require some slices of cucumber. Here is a fried chicken. Then we have garlic sauce and then mayo sauce. Please check the link to see how to make these 2 sauces at home. Then some veggies, that's slices of onions, tomatoes and lettuce. You may take any veggies of your choice. And finally you require pita breads. Here I am using my homemade pita bread, which we are gonna use to make our chicken shawarma wrap. So please check the link attached. Now let's start the assembling. For that, take the pita bread and apply garlic sauce all over. Now apply mayo chilli sauce and spread it well. Then we're gonna place the fried chicken strips. You may layer the way you like. Then goes in the veggies, that's the slices of onions, then tomatoes, followed by lettuce, and then slices of cucumber. Finally top it up with some more sauces, and that's it. A super easy, super tasty and a delicious chicken shawarma is absolutely ready. Now wrap this shawarma with a parchment or a butter paper and then serve it hot. This Middle Eastern delicacy has become very popular in many parts of the world, wherein they make these shawarmas with their own spices and style according to their taste buds. As I said, you may take any veggies of your choice and make this delicious shawarma with homemade pita breads. Trust me, it will taste super yummy than any restaurant made shawarmas, and it's also very healthy too. With just handful of ingredients and a readily available spices, you may easily make this super awesome, flavorfully delicious chicken shawarma at home in a very simple way. Hope you like this recipe. If so, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so. and also like and share it. Soon we'll be coming up with another interesting video. Until then, take care of yourself. Happy cooking. Bye bye.